Again, we've started to write regularly, and we're going to read from a piece of writing that we recently wrote entitled Ambition.
Great, and I'll start us off. Okay. Ambition. Is ambition part of one's nature, or is it nurtured? Ambition seems to be in the air we breathe, the water we drink, the mud I'd like to play in at Murrieta Hot Springs. I don't just think it's mine, it seems like ours. Here's a concise statement about ambition. It's a strong desire to do or to achieve something, typically requiring determination and hard work to achieve success. Ambition can be measured in so many life situations. How come? It goes against what we aspire to, or much of what we aspire to in Dharma teachings and the life I live today, of following conditions, staying close to experience, loosening my hold on results. Some results, by the way, in this political climate. Okay, working hard is the basis of an American life. The promise is if you work hard, you'll get ahead, you'll be successful. It's so common to ask children, what do you want to be when you grow up? I wanted to be a ballerina until I had to wear toe shoes. Ouch, they really hurt. In high school, you get asked, where are you going to college? What do you want to major in if you're going to college? I had no idea what I wanted to do with that sociology degree, but neither did my professors. Promises and hard work. This all seems to be a natural, visible part of becoming. The hard work of becoming happy, successful, becoming our best selves. Not many of us work hard at becoming unsuccessful, unhappy, and disempowered, though self-sabotage is a contender for some of us. Becoming, as an actual thing, is a link in the chain of the Buddhist teaching on dependent arising. It's preceded by the link of desire, also considered a thing, a process, something. And these two are intertwined, becoming and desire. I should go more like that. Our desires are linked with who we become and what gets born. Becoming aware of how these two stick together, how they entangle and intertwine together, sometimes it makes me feel wistful. I wish I could have reflected upon my younger becomings while I was making them, letting go and relaxing the fears that gripped me so tightly, or using WD-40 on some of my perspectives that needed oil. Though it's not too late for that to happen with reflective meditation.
It seems like, it seems like ambition got flushed out of me this past year. I don't want to achieve for the future. Instead, I want to enjoy, benefit from, and engage with the life I'm living now. Many possible conditions led to this transformation. Aging first comes to mind. I don't have that many good, by this I mean healthy years of life left. I say this as a realist, not a pessimist. This knowledge is embedded in Buddhist teachings on the contemplation of death. This truth stares me in the face. There's not that much future to achieve towards. I don't have that much time left to do what I love and to love. The flip side of aging is the relief that comes from not needing to accomplish so much. I have much of what I strive for. I developed and I'm retiring from I'm trying to retire, in the process of retiring, our long-term process as a psychotherapist that financially supported me, while also giving me the opportunity to do meaningful work that I loved. And now I have a deep and sweet meditation community. I mean, you all and others too. I have a way of practicing and teaching meditation that integrates the wisdom of my lifetime with my disposition. And fortunately, I have enough money to be financially secure in my old age. But here's another condition. We, Linda and I, strive so hard, so much effort, so much determination, so much work to promote our book. And it doesn't seem like this approach worked. We haven't given up on the book selling, reaching out to people who might benefit. I just don't think that I or we can strive our way there. Not sure how to get there. But now it seems to be the time in my life to let go. And letting go really has a different flavor than ambition. It's like melting into the future rather than trying to create the future I want. It seems like ambition has melted away like an ice cream cone on a warm summer's day.
We're short today, but